You will receive an email from Zista Events at zistaedventures.com. Click on the Sign In button to get started. Once you sign in, you will land on the event page, where you can view event details, speaker profiles with their bios, testimonials, and the sessions scheduled for the day. To enter the microsite, click on Live Sessions. Here, you will find a list of all participating universities. Click on any university to view detailed information and their profile. To join a session, click the Join button next to the university. Select your microphone and camera settings, then click Continue. To share your screen, click on the Share Screen button at the bottom. Choose your screen and enable audio if needed, then click Share. Your screen will now be visible to the students. To stop sharing, click on the Stop Sharing button in the same location. When you're ready to exit, click on Leave Session and confirm to leave your booth. You can continue navigating through the platform afterward. To explore other booths and sessions, click on Sessions, where you can view details of each session. Thank you, and we hope you have a seamless experience.